Hey guys, welcome back. No. Hey guys, welcome back to. Hey. I know a few people have asked me like, how much money do you make and how do you make more money on YouTube? That's one way you can attract an audience, and also, what kind of content are you making? Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name is Sydney. I am a freelance digital content creator based in Atlanta, Georgia. And today I have a new video. So I went on my Instagram the other day and I asked you to ask me questions about YouTube, how to start your own channel, things you need to know before starting. And I got a lot of responses, so I'm just gonna hop right into this YouTube Q&A. The weird thing about posting the little question box on Instagram is that literally anybody can put anything, and sometimes I just get the most random stuff, so I'm just gonna I'm not even gonna look at any of that. The first comment that I got is, how do you decide how long to make your videos? So in one of my other videos talking about creating content specifically for YouTube, I talked about how you need to make your videos over 10 minutes long. When you make longer videos, then there's more content for people to watch. YouTube works in a way where they're checking to see how long your watch time is. And if you have a short 2-3 minute video, then the most you can get for watch time in that is 2 to 3 minutes. If your video is like 10 minutes long, 15, even 20 minutes long, then there's so much more room for people to be able to watch your content, and that will signal to YouTube that they should push your content out more. So I usually try to make videos that are at least around 10 minutes, probably like 8-9 minutes. It really depends on what you're doing, but creating content where you can talk a lot or do a lot really helps you with growth and maintaining your subscriber base and your audience. So the next question that I got was, how often do you post your content? A lot of people stress being consistent on this platform, and yeah, you can do that, but I think being consistent in different ways will help. If you're consistently posting every Sunday, then people know to log into your channel every Sunday. You can also be consistent posting multiple times throughout the week. Maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday you'll be posting if you can, or maybe just Sunday and Thursday. I think that it really depends on your schedule. It depends on how much you feel like you even need to post, because some people have super long content, so they only really want to post one time a week or every other week or even once a month, and that just works for their audience base. When you just start out, I would definitely say try to post at least one time a week. If you can get that down, then expand it to 2 times a week if you can. But if you're not doing YouTube full time, then I don't think you should push yourself to post 3-4 times a week, because I would say 3 times is pretty good. 2 times, awesome. 1 time, great. So another question that I got was, what motivated you to start your own YouTube channel? And I've talked about this before, but I really just wanted a space to be creative. And growing up in a small town, I wasn't able to do that. There weren't too many avenues that focus on people who are into the arts or into media or anything like that. So this was really my space to get on and be myself and do whatever I wanted to do. So that's what really motivated me to start, and yeah. Has sharing your personal life ever backfired thus far? I would say no, and that's partially because I'm pretty reserved on my channel, and I noticed that in watching some of my videos. This is basically a part of my brand, so me being on this channel and this also being a lifestyle channel, it's kind of like I kind of do have to share my life, and I have to talk about different aspects of my life, like college and dating and all of this stuff. So far it has not backfired, no, but I do understand that there are so many different people that watch my channel, and sometimes I do feel like I have to be mindful about what I say or do. Some things I do want to keep to myself, and some things are really personal and I might not want to share it, but that doesn't take away from me still putting out content that's meaningful and authentic. So yeah. Someone asked me about attracting an audience, and honestly, the best thing that you can do is be yourself. There's so many people on this platform that try to be other people, and it's like, you cannot be Jackie Aina. You cannot be Alyssa Ashley. You cannot be Raven Elise. You can't be all of these other people. You have to be yourself. People are going to naturally gravitate to who you are as a person. Just like you've been able to make friends, they're gonna do the same thing on this platform. So that's one way you can attract an audience. And also, what kind of content are you making? If you're like a drama channel, drama channels are going to attract people who want the drama. If you don't want to create that type of audience, then you should create an audience that is based off of your morals, your values, and just your personality. So someone literally said, how? And I know starting a YouTube channel is like, it's almost like starting a business. It's like, how do you even do this? But there's so much content on this platform on how to start. And I watched so many videos before I started, just like how you're watching this video now. So if you guys want more information on how to start your own YouTube channel, I have a series going talking about creating meaningful and authentic content and how to be successful on any media platform. And I will go ahead and link a few of those videos down below, as well as other videos talking about like equipment, programs, and all of that you can use to start your own YouTube channel. How do you find a niche when you feel like you want to do a little bit of everything? In one of my last videos, I talked about how dangerous it is to kind of hyper niche. You don't want to do that, but you do want to have like this overall theme that you come back to. When you're just starting and you're trying to figure out how to niche, just starting on the platform, you should give yourself room to figure out what you like to do. Maybe you don't like makeup as much as you thought. Maybe you don't like college vlogs. So you really have to just maneuver and figure out what works for you. All right, so another person said, how can I reach the $100 threshold? It's been hard for me. So when you're starting on YouTube and you want to start making more money, a lot of people don't know that Google AdSense will only send you money after you've reached the $100 threshold. So if you've made like $43.60-something, they're not gonna send that to you until you've made $100. And that's like discouraged a lot of people. I know for myself, that's kind of like, dang, like what if I wanted that $43? But the way to like break through that threshold is to continue creating content. Make sure that you're utilizing your ads, your videos are longer, and you're just consistently posting so you attract that audience, attract those views, and you're able to generate more of an income. The real money is in brand sponsorships, and I know a few people have asked me like, how much money do you make? How do you make more money on YouTube? Honestly, Google AdSense is not the place to go if you really want to make money. It's definitely in the brands. So what you want to do is establish a good audience, establish good engagement. So when you pitch yourself to small brands or even larger brands, people will want to work with you because they see that it's a good investment. As a small YouTuber, I would definitely reach out to other brands, and maybe they might even promote you on their pages, and that will increase your engagement to your YouTube channel. All right, so the last question I'm gonna answer for today is, how do you come up with original video ideas in a saturated niche? There are so many different ways to go about doing things. I think that being on this platform, you're constantly developing. One thing you have to do is just get creative. Try new ways of saying what you're trying to say or doing what you want to do. So one thing that I've seen Jackie Aina do is start to incorporate more memes and more jokes and things into her videos, edit them a little bit differently so they're more entertaining. It's still makeup videos. She's been doing makeup videos for years, but she's shaking it up and showing us these like tutorials or whatever in new and different ways. So you have to be really innovative. You have to try different things, and some things will work better than others. So in a saturated niche, you just have to really shake it up and figure out, okay, how can I present this in a whole different way? All right, guys, so that wraps up my YouTube Q&A. Thank you for watching. I hope you gained some information from it. If you want to be a part of the next Q&A, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I ask you guys questions all the time. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Look at you getting to the end of my video. If you want to watch more, you should definitely subscribe here, or you can click here to watch more videos like this. Also, if you want exclusive content, I've started a Patreon account, which you can access in the description box below. All right, I'm officially done. See you guys in the next video. Bye.